Scully hop back in their cruiser and drive to talk to Professor Longhair, the leading intelligence on ancient aliens.
So here we see the portal. You notice the stones are arranged in this hexahedron pattern, very unusual for that period in time. But this shape was chosen specifically to focus and amplify the quantum energies coming out of the stones, creating a singularity which would open the portal and allow travel throughout the multiverse. On this next... What do you mean they're here? Can't you see I'm in the middle of a lecture?
They told me it was a matter of life and death.
Not again. All right, class. Open your books to page 246, The Truth About UFOs. Keep reading until the bell. And don't forget about your test tomorrow, the role of extraterrestrials in pop music. Pay particular attention to the section about alien influences during the British invasion. All right, this better be important.
Yes, Professor, it is. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us. We have been investigating a code yellow alien abduction just outside of town, and a witness found this object. Tell us what you make of it.
What have we got here? Oh my, this is very interesting. These inscriptions on here, this symbol right here, and this one over here. These are very familiar. I've seen them in a book I have. Let me see if I can find it. Ah yes, here we are. Ancient Celt aliens, stewards of the multiverse. See, these symbols are presented in here and over here.
But can you decipher what it means?
How do we open the thing?
There's a theory that these symbols can be translated into mathematical equations, but I have a theory that goes beyond that. I think I can actually turn those equations into music. Let me see if I can transcribe these markings into something we can play. think I've got it. If my calculations are correct, playing this music should create a resonance inside the pod, which should cause it to open.
Should we play it?
Let's give it a try.
Okay. One, two.
Help me, my only hope. Help me, my only hope. Is this thing even on? Zelda, how do you get this thing to work? Oh wait, there it goes. Greetings, Earthlings. I am Zog, the great Celt alien overlord. Thousands of years ago, before the dawn of humans, the Celt aliens built a series of portals throughout the multiverse on any planet that had the potential for life. But not just life, something pure, something organic, something that he had discovered to be the universal truth that could unite all beings. Earthlings call that music. We have returned to our portal here on Earth at the site called Stonehenge. 2 you Earthlings are in our possession. We will return them to you only if the greatest musicians on Earth agree to meet us here at Stonehenge for an intergalactic battle of the bands. Failure to comply, and we will turn them into human haggis. Oh, disgusting. One other thing. Extra points will be given out to those musicians who come dressed to impress. Celt aliens love a good fashion show. Zog here, over and out. Zelda, is dinner ready yet? Oi, my onions are killing me. Oi, how do you turn this thing off already? Oh, this is terrible. The Celt aliens are real. Gotta be careful what you wish for.
The band.
This is a tricky situation. I hope Major Tom is all right.
The band.
What are we gonna do?
The band.
What?
We're putting the band back together. Well, what do you think, Professor Longhair? Are you in?